Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going.
What's going on, OC fam? Today we are going to make, and you are going to learn, my big ziti. It's easy. If you've seen my eggplant lasagna, it's pretty much the same idea. It's just ziti and a little bit different. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's our ingredients. We got sliced provolone. We have this was an 8-ounce ball of mozzarella cheese. Now it's shredded. We have some extra virgin olive oil, ricotta cheese, tomato and basil sauce. We have our ziti, black pepper, Mrs. Dash, garlic powder, grated cheese, bay leaves, onion powder. And this is about 1.5 pounds, a little bit over a pound and a half of ground meats. That's ground beef. So, and we have a pot here that is we are going to put on to heat up. Mine's a little wet, so I'm going to let the water dissolve, and then I'll add some olive oil, or else I will get splattered with oil everywhere. We don't want that. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or we're gonna add 1 because the ground meat that I have actually has some fat in it. It's not the leanest. I couldn't. Mash it down. Oops. Put it on low so it doesn't burn. A tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, a tablespoon of garlic powder, garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, so now we're going to add our sauce. original baked ziti is not made with meats. It's just pasta sauce, marinara sauce, and some cheese. Okay. So our sauce is well incorporated. I'm gonna put it aside in a bowl. Okay, so we filled our pot up with water right here, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, our water's boiling. Let's add this ziti. I'm only adding half of the box. Maybe a little over half. About 2/3 of the box I put in there. This is 16 ounces. So, like 10 ounces, I want to say. 9 ounces, 10 ounces. Okay. Where did my spoon go? Okay, so we're gonna stir this so they don't stick so much. It's seasoned with salt. The olive oil will keep it from sticking. We're going to cook this about 5 minutes, not even too long. It's just till they get al dente, which pretty much means not too soft, but not hard. It's quite in the middle. Like it has a little tiny bit of a texture, like a crunch. Not even a crunch. It's just has some texture to it. Because too soft, the noodle will get really, really soggy. We don't want our noodles soggy. We don't want them sticking together. We don't want them, we want it to hold up. Okay, we got it. 8 minutes exactly is good, y'all. So you're gonna turn off the water and let me drain this. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by adding some noodles to the bottom of this pan. This is our first layer. We're gonna add half, not some, half of the whole noodles. I think maybe I could have did the whole box. I underestimated it. Okay, so that's about half. And we're gonna start off we're gonna add some sauce. Add as much as you want. You can be as generous as you would like, or you could just be a little bit. Put a little bit, put not as much, and put more cheese. It depends on what you like. It's however you like it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some provolone. I don't know what happened. My phone just blacked out. It just went out. Can you believe that? Well, anyways, this is our last layer. I don't know if you got it. Of meat. Make sure you have a deep dish for this. Because as you can see, mine's overflowing. Okay, let's add some mozzarella on top. Shredded mozzarella. You don't have to cover this. We're gonna put it straight into the oven so the cheese can melt. Look at this ziti. It's like volcanish. I don't know what that meant. I meant to say like, you know, exploding like volcano. I don't know. I'm making up my words, okay? I feel like it's cool, y'all. Anyways, a little bit of Parmesan on top of my mozzarella. Hopefully this, I'm making a mess. Your oven is preheated so you can put it in the oven to cook. Okay, so let's see. Look how cheesy it is, y'all. Oh my goodness, my noodles. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. OC fan, to my next video. Enjoy.